It doesn't matter whether you want to be like Ron Weasley
Diagon Alley!
or you just want to admire the beauty of your marvelous green flame. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make green fire using basic supplies. The first thing you need is boric acid. It is sold as a roach killer and it is made up of the element boron. Take it in a flask and add some methanol to dissolve it. Then give it a good shake until most of the boric acid is dissolved. Once you have done this, you can go ahead and store the solution in a labeled container. I would prefer to use a tightly sealed container or else the methanol may evaporate and you will be left with an empty bottle after some time.
Why is the rum always gone?
The next thing you need is a heat resistant container. I am using a candle holder here, but it could be anything you want. Pour the solution that we just prepared into that container. Dim the lights and enjoy. If you are interested in the science behind it, I will keep it simple. So basically energy can neither be created nor destroyed. The law of conservation of energy. Here the heat causes the electron to gain energy and hence it moves to a higher energy level. When the electron falls back to a lower energy level, the same gained energy is released as a photon. The wavelength of the photon is what determines the color. If you want to see something that happens behind the scenes and some interesting tips, you know where to go. Also, if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.